Okay, we're going to add these two rational expressions, and unfortunately, the denominators are not the same yet. Remember, we must have the same denominator before we can add them up, right? So, let's see. For the first denominator here, we have x minus 2. We cannot factor anything out anymore. Likewise, for the second one, this is x plus 4. We cannot factor out anything neither, right? So, for the lowest common denominator, this is just going to be the product of these two denominators, right? So we multiply by x minus 2 times x plus 4. And as we can see now, for the first one, it has x minus 2 already. I need to just multiply by x plus 4 so that I can produce a lowest common denominator for the first one, right? So first, I will put a parenthesis around the original denominator, and then I will multiply this by x plus 4. And don't forget, we have to do the same thing on the top as well. So multiply this by x plus 4, all right? Likewise, for the second one, this is x plus 4. We need to have the x minus 2. Therefore, we multiply this one by x minus 2 on the bottom, and we do the same on the top, like that. And now, the denominators are the same, so we can just write them as one big fraction. I will just put down the denominator, which is x minus 2 times x plus 4. We don't have to multiply out this yet, okay? And then for the top, as we can see, we have the 3. We have to distribute the 3 into the parentheses, and we will have 3 times x, that's 3x. And next, we have 3 times 4, that's going to be plus 12, okay? And we continue. We take positive 1 times x, that's going to be plus x. And one more, positive 1 times negative 2, that will give us negative 2, like that. And on the top, we just have to combine items now, okay? So, the 3x plus x, that will give us 4x. And then this and that will give us plus 10. And this is over the denominator, x minus 2, x plus 4, okay? And once again, remember, whenever we have this kind of things, be sure, try your best to factor everything out so you can be sure if we can cancel things out at the end or not. On the top, this is 4x and then plus the 10. We can factor our common factor, 2, right? So we'll do that. So we factor out 2. I'll open the parentheses. Originally, I have the 4x, but I factor out the 2, so we have 2x left. And then next, originally, this was a plus 10. You can just think about 10 divided by 2 is plus 5, right? So just like this. And don't forget to write down the denominator though. This is over x minus 2 times x plus 4. Are there any common factors that we can cancel? No, right? Okay, this is the answer then. And you leave the answer in the factorative form. In fact, this is preferred because we are double checking, triple checking to see if there's any common factors that we can cancel, right? So this is great. You can just leave it like that, and that's it.